Can you tell me about the rings there, Debbie? The willow rings.
These are willow rings that I just cut the other day. You start off by making a simple ring and then just keep adding to it. It's really strong once it gets going. And these are the kind of basic building blocks for when even if you're building in larger stuff in willow, you'd make a lot of these and you'd use these to kind of as the kind of structural stuff within your piece. But I'm just going to use these as actual circles on the ground.
Very good. And of course it's very sustainable material.
Oh, completely, and for every branch that I cut, 10 more will grow, so it's actually taking care. This is the byproduct of pruning the tree and looking after the tree. The tree that I took them from is healthier now because I've taken these from it.
So I'm just here with Debbie and we're doing some land art. And I'm just going to collect some of this heliotrope. Heliotrope is an invasive, non-native species. And it's also okay to cut it because it doesn't spread by just cutting the leaves. It spreads by rhizomes. So hopefully we can get to use some of this plant. It has good colours in the front and the back as well. And when collecting any plants, sometimes people don't realise what they're allergic to. So it's always good to wear gloves. A little bit more progress on the land art. Looking nice. Amazing the green colour against the...
How vibrant it is, yeah.
There you go, everybody. Bit of land art. All the material from Merlin Woods, Debbie?
Oh yeah, all within 50 metres of here.
Yeah. So we've just collected the heliotrope, which was grown outside there on the road edge of the path edge. We have some dandelions. We have some lesser celandine, a viola, feather we found on the ground, and the pine cones, which are everywhere around us. So,
if you're looking for pine cones, now's the time to come down here to the nest area. They're everywhere.
And thanks a million to Debbie. That's a fantastic example of land art and a great location here because we're not actually we're not impacting on any other growth within the area because this area is clear of growth.